are doing well. We are doing another nail collab video, and this time I'm doing it with Swales Nails Beauty. I have her YouTube channel on the screen, and I'll also have her Instagram channel as well. So if you aren't already subscribed and following, please feel free to do so. She's an amazing DIY nail tuber, and she was one of the first channels that I started to follow when I actually started doing nails last year. So how this nail collab works is that we're actually doing nails blindsided. So we kind of have to figure out what we thought the other person likes. So I went on a channel and I did lots of research, and I believe she likes these kind of nail tips, which is like the Coffin tapered nail tips. And I know that she uses lots of bright colors and she uses lots of glitter as well. So I got this kit off of Amazon. This is a new Beetles collection, and I'm going to be focusing on these three colors. One of them is kind of nude, and then the other two is glitter gel polishes, and I absolutely love all of the colors in this kit. I'll probably just use these three for this video, and then the other maybe I'll use at a different time. So to get started, I'm going to apply some primer to these nail tips and a little bit of base gel. Some of the nail tips I'm going to be applying butterflies. That's another kind of nail art I think she likes. And I think she also likes like French nail tips, like French ombres and maybe like a deep French or different kind of French. But for this particular nail design, I'm going to be doing some butterflies encapsulated, and it's going to be in the shape of like a French ombre. So it's a butterfly French ombre glitter nail. So I have my Beetles clear poly gel. I'm going to be using this to attach the nails to my nail tip. I've already applied the foil glue and the base gel, as you would have seen in the beginning of this video, and that allows me to be able to pop these nails right back off once I'm done. And once I'm done patting that clear poly gel into place, then I go ahead and adhere the nail tip to the finger. If you do have any spillage of poly gel into your cuticle areas or to your sidelines, just take your poly gel brush and dip it in some isopropyl alcohol and then just remove that excess. And I did the same thing on my pinky finger as well. But for my middle and my ring finger, this is where I'm going to be doing the encapsulated butterfly design. So I've already applied primer to the nail tips, and then I just go ahead and apply base gel. I have two set of butterflies I'm using. One of these is from Amazon that has the little bit of glitter in that. And then the other butterflies I got from a Aimeili Beauty kit. So these two glitters is from Charlie's Nail Art Strawberry and Plum, both delicious looking glitters. Make sure you visit charliesnailart.co.uk. I do have a coupon code. It will be down in the description. So I want both purple as well as pink butterflies and glitters in this design. So what I'm doing is I'm taking each one and I'm placing them on the nail first. I'm doing the butterflies first. Whatever nail art that you want to be seen first, that's what you apply. So maybe you want your glitter to be first and the butterflies in the background, and you just layer it like that. So what I do is I put the butterflies on first, and then I go in with little pieces of smaller butterflies, and then I'll go with a little bit of glitter behind those butterflies just to give it a little bit of effect. And then once I am done applying all of the butterfly pieces and the glitter pieces, then I will flash cure this for around 10 seconds. Now I want a little bit more glitter to show up on the nail because as is pretty clear, pretty basic. I want it to have like a really thickness effect to it. If you look at it, it looks really clear. So after I flash cured, I go in with another layer of base gel on this nail, and then I'm just going to go in again with a little bit more butterflies and a little bit more glitter, and that's going to give me the layered effect that I'm going for this nail. Now, after I am done with that second layer of glitter and butterflies and I apply the base gel, I don't cure it. There's no need to flash cure it because now you're okay to just apply it to your nail. So I'm quickly patting a bead of clear poly gel and then I adhere the nail and I cure both the nail and the butterflies at the same time under my UV lamp. Once I am satisfied with how they look, then I will go in with my 100-180 file as well as my buffer. But be sure to apply some top gel underneath the nail before you start to file because it is a bit sticky with the base gel. And if you file, some of that filing and dust can, get stuck to the nail design underneath the nail. So please remember to apply top gel and then cure before you start to file. Now for the ombre, I'm going to take this nude gel polish and I'm just going to drag this down close enough to where the butterfly design starts to meet the nail. And then I will take my ombre brush and just finish dragging the rest of the polygel down over the entire nail. Because I don't want it to remain clear to some extent. I still want it to have this neutral look over the nail. You'll see me show you this in a second so that you can understand what I'm trying to do. All right, so after 2 layers of this neutral ombre, I'm now going to go in with my top gel over the entire nail. And then I'm going to go ahead with some rhinestones. Now I have these, I don't actually know what kind of shape these are, but they're kind of curved, like there's like a little wavy little rhinestones. I don't remember where I got these from. I think I got these from AliExpress. Yeah, this could have been AliExpress. You can also find these on Amazon, possibly. So I'm taking these pink rhinestones, flat back rhinestones first. I got these from AliExpress. And it's 3 different sizes. And I'm just going to layer them in the center of the nail. And this is going to be the body of the butterfly. And then I'm going to take these 2 curved kind of rhinestones. And those are going to be the wings of the butterfly. And I'm going to be doing this on both the index and the middle finger. Ring finger, sorry. So that when you put the 2 fingers together, it's going to shape into a full butterfly. Okay, so the rhinestones on the middle finger and the ring finger are done. I'm not quite finished with the design for those nails. I'll come back to that. For my pinky finger, this is the most easiest design you could possibly do. I'm just taking the 2 glitter gel polishes that I have and I'm just gliding them over the nail. So I'll do these 2 lines with the pink and then I'm going to do flash cure for 10 seconds and then go in with the purple glitter gel polish. And that's going to give you like a candy, what is it called? Candy cane kind of look, glitter look. Okay, so now for my index finger, I'm just gonna use that neutral kind of nude gel polish and go over the entire nail, and then I'm just gonna put a little bit of some rhinestones around the top of the nail, and that's how that one looks. So I used two different kind of rhinestones. One of them was like a clear holographic, and then the other one was just like the regular shiny kind of rhinestones for the index. And here they are right here. Both of these I got from AliExpress as well. They're really pretty and unique, and I like them. Now, so let's get back to the two last fingers. Off camera, I did go ahead and add like a line of the glitter gel polish, and I did add a few more butterflies onto the top of the nail, and that is how the nail turned out. And overall, I like it. I like that you can see the butterflies and you can see underneath the butterflies and a little bit of glitter. So I hope that I have done a good job for these nails for Swales, and make sure you guys subscribe and follow her, and I'll see you in the next video.